Belle the Planner here with your 1-minute market update. So, last week the White House announced tariffs on just about every country in the world, and in response, the S&P, which is the index that tracks the 500 largest American companies, dropped about 12%. Tariffs are just taxes paid to the government on goods that are brought into America. The tariffs are paid by American import companies, and they make it more expensive to bring in goods from other countries. And that affects the prices that you and I pay to buy those goods. The stock market dropped because people are worried about what that would do to prices in America. Then, on Wednesday, probably in response to that market drop, the White House announced a 90-day pause on tariffs, and the market rose on that news. But in the end, the S&P is still down more than 5% since the tariff announcement. It's important to note that China was not on the list of countries that received the tariff pause. In fact, their tariff rate was increased to 145%, and today they responded by putting a 125% tariff on U.S. goods. China is our third largest trading partner, so if we can't negotiate with them to get the tariffs reduced, the prices of all kinds of consumer items could rise a lot. It's been a wild week in the market, and there's a good chance we'll continue to see more volatility as these things get sorted out. So, if you're interested, follow the Simple Money Project for daily market minutes where I touch on the highlights of what's happening in the market in as close to 1 minute as I can possibly get.